Good morning, children. This is Vaibhav Kulkarni, TGT Maths, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Usmanabad, Taluka Turzapur. Actually, you might have seen so far so many videos I have prepared on class 9th standard Maths, class 10th standard Maths. My target is to finish off this 9th standard Maths as well as 10th standard Maths for the students. And along with that, I have also prepared some videos called as Basic Maths for All, in which so far I have almost completed 20 videos and I will be taking up to 40 videos. So the content of the videos is to help the students who are having the problems in their basics. If the students see those basics and they try to do the problems of 9th and 10th standard, I feel that they will feel 9th and standard Maths very easy, because as an experienced teacher from last 26 years and plus some 3 years outside Navodaya, I have come to know some of the difficulties that the student face when they come in 9th and 10th standard. So with that intention, I have prepared the videos for Basic Maths also. Now this Basic Maths video can be seen even by 6th standard students, 7th standard students, 8th standard students, 9th standard students and 10th standard students. My channel name, as you all know, Maths Made Easy with Vaibhav Kulkarni. This is my channel name. The purpose of making this channel is to give standard coaching to the students who are suffering a lot because of this corona pandemics. Students are finding it very difficult to get the teachers. Most of the colleges are closed, most of the schools are closed, and in that context, students should be able to do maths. With that noble intention, this channel has been started. So I hope you might have already started seeing my channel. I want that you should subscribe it, share it, and even you can share your comments so that we can have an interactive class through mobile and through my internet, through my YouTube channel, Maths Made Easy with Vaibhav Kulkarni. And again, one good news that I am going to give you all, dear children, is I am also shortly starting this on my Facebook also. So shortly you will be seeing me on the Facebook also. You need to search for my page and then you click on my page and then you will get all the updates on the Facebook also. So dear children, try to understand the noble intention and share with as many people as you can. And you are free to share your views in the comment box. See, in the topic arithmetic progression, one of the question reads, how many terms of the given AP must be taken to make a sum as 637? That means क्या दिया है यहाँ पर, एक AP आपको दिया है जिसकी शुरुआत पहला टर्म है 9, दूसरा टर्म है 17, तीसरा टर्म है 25. इस तरह से अगर ये AP चलता रहा तो 636 आने के लिए कितने पदों की आवश्यकता है? हाउ मेनी टर्म्स विल एड अप? यानी कहने का तात्पर्य है, व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल यू इन ब्रीफ इज दैट मीन्स व्हाट, 9 प्लस 17 प्लस 25 प्लस आई शुड फाइनली गेट 636 एज माई आंसर. तो हाउ मेनी टर्म्स विल बी देयर? तो बच्चों देखिए, क्वेश्चन बिलोंग्स टू सम. सम के ऊपर क्वेश्चन है, इसीलिए हमको फॉर्मूला लिखना पड़ेगा. कंपलसरी जो है वो है Sn इक्वल टू n/2 इंटू ब्रैकेट 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. कंपल्सरी ये तो मुझे लिखना ही पड़ेगा, राइट है बच्चों? फाइन. सर इस फॉर्मूले के अंदर Sn हमको पता है. यस, फैंटास्टिक. 636 लिख दो बच्चों. सर n हमको पता नहीं है, छोड़ दो, लीव इट. सर a we know it, a is the first term, fine. 2 into first term, a is how much? 9. Then n sir we don't know, fantastic, leave it. Minus 1. Sir common difference we can find it. How to find the common difference? Common difference is equal to second term minus first term, that is 17 minus 9, and 17 minus 9 is how much? 8. Every time make a point to write this formula. Though it is very simple to say 17 minus 9 is 8, sir, common difference is 8. My dear children, in the examination, oral answers are not going to fetch you marks. If you really want to score in the examination, your steps are going to fetch you the marks. So for your kind information, keep writing the formulas and try to get as many marks as you can. Of course, solutions are also required. So now this will be equal to 636 is equal to n by 2 into 18 plus 8n minus 8. 18 plus 8n, this is 8n minus 8. So 636 is equal to n by 2 into bracket 8 minus 8 is 18 minus 8 is 10 plus 8n, then this will be equal to 636 is equal to n by 2 into, I'll take 2 as common factor, then this will be equal to 5 plus 4n. Now this 2 cancels with this 2, so this becomes how much? 636 is equal to 5n plus 4n square. So if I decide to send this 636 towards the right side, then this becomes 5n plus 4n square minus 636. Let me put it in the standard form. If I put it in the standard form, it will look like 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. I know it will be little bit difficult for you to solve this quadratic equation because it seems to be little bit bigger. Now you can try by what is factorization method. If you try, sir, factors are very lengthy, sir, and this is the reason why I have chosen to solve this problem. I want to tell you how this problem can be made easy. See, what I'll do is, here in the rough side 636 I'll multiply by 4. 4 into 6 is 24. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Carry 1. 4 into 6 is 24 plus 1 is how much? 2544. So if you multiply the first and the last term, you are going to get 2554. On adding or subtracting, you should get 5n. How to do it, sir? It's simple beta. Just you follow the step that I say. जो स्टेप मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ उसको फॉलो कीजिए. ये 2544 को आप डिवाइड कीजिए और ये तो सबको आता है. 2544, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 7 जा 14, 2 2 जा 4. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 7 जा 14, 2 2 जा 4. फिर से आप लीजिए 2 6 जा 12, 2 3 जा 6, 2 6 जा 12. फिर से लीजिए आप 2 3 जा 6, 2 1 जा 2, 2 8 जा 16. Then again 2 1 जा 2, carry 1, 2 5 जा 10, 2 9 जा 18. Then 3 5 जा 15, 3 3 जा 9. Now, sir, why did you do all these things? I am coming to the point. 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 16 3 जा 48. 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 16 3 जा 48. And 48 into 53 if I do, I'll get 2554. That means I am telling you the method of getting the factor. This is the only reason why I have chosen to solve the problem, because to tell you how to find the factors. So what you will do here is, you will write here 53n minus 48n. What is it? 53n minus 48. You just see here 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 16 3 जा 48. 53 into 48 is 2548. Now let us see what are the common factors here. So if I choose to find the common factors will be, n is common here. So what remains in the bracket is 4n plus 53. Here let us see what I can take common here. I can take 4 common. If I 12 I can take common here. If I choose to take 12 common, then what is that I am going to get here? Just here 12 4s are 48. Then here minus is common, so 53. Again if I take common, then this becomes 4n plus 53 is equal to 0 and n minus 12 is equal to 0. See, 4n is equal to minus 53. So n is equal to minus 53 by 4. And here n is equal to 12. See, n cannot be negative. Number of terms cannot be negative. It should be a whole number. So n cannot be negative. N cannot be negative. So therefore what we will have to take? n is equal to 12. Try to understand what we have got. हमें क्या मिला ये समझने की कोशिश करो. अगर इस तरह से मैं प्लस करता चला जाऊं तो 12 टर्म्स को ऐड करेंगे तो 636 आएगा. 12 टर्म्स को अगर ऐड करोगे तो आपको 636 आपको मिलेगा. दिस इज द मेथड. तो ये एक फैक्टराइजेशन किस तरह से करना है वो मुझे आपको बताना था इस प्रॉब्लम के माध्यम से. अब नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम है, थोड़ा बड़ा है प्रॉब्लम फैक्टराइजेशन के इसमें, मगर अगर आप उसको फॉलो करोगे तो 53 एंड 48 आपको फैक्टर्स मिल जाएगा, वरना आसानी से ये फैक्टर्स मिलता नहीं है. द फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ एन एपी इज 5 एंड द लास्ट टर्म इज 45. फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स ऑन सीडी एंड द सम इज 400. So many things are given at the same time. Let us see how we can use the correct formula. See, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. A plus an. So now in this formula already he has given you Sn. Sn is how much? 400. Number of terms we don't know. What is the first term? First term is 5. What is the last term? 45. Then how much we'll get here? 400 is equal to n by 2 into 50. Now children, 2 ones are 2, 2 25s are 2 25s are. Now this is 400 is equal to n into 25. This into 25 if I transpose it, 400 divided by 25 is equal to n. So 25 ones are 25. Then how much remains here is 15. So it becomes how much? 150. So 25 into how much will be equal to this much. So 25 into 4 is 100. 25 into 6 will be 400. So number of terms is 16. The number of terms is 16. Now we have to find the last, what is it? Number of terms is over, common difference we have to find out. See, we know the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And in this formula we know the last term. Last term is 45. First term is 5. Number of terms are 16 minus 1 into d. So if I transpose this 45 here, 45 minus 5 is equal to 15d. So 45 minus 5 is 40 is equal to 15d. So 40 by 15 is equal to d. That means what? 5 8s are 40, 5 3s are 15. So common difference is how much? 8 by 3. So now children, you may, one question that may come in your mind is, sir, why didn't you use that formula 2a plus n minus 1 into d? Why should I use it? See, when he has given Sn to me, when he has given the first term to me, when he has given the last term to me, so out of 4 I know 3 of them, and I need to find the fourth one. So the only formula that is left out is this one. So इस फॉर्मूला का उपयोग किया तो a की वैल्यू 5 है, an की वैल्यू 45 है, दोनों को प्लस किया तो 50 हो गया, तो ये हो गया n की वैल्यू 16। अब फिर कॉमन डिफरेंस अगर आपको चाहिए तो आपने an इज इक्वल टू a प्लस एन माइनस वन इंटू डी को यूज़ किया, आपको कॉमन डिफरेंस मिल गया। तो बच्चों ये दो प्रॉब्लम्स काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है और उम्मीद है आपको समझ में आ गया होगा। अगले वीडियो में फिर हम अगले क्वेश्चंस की तरफ बढ़ेंगे।